Well, hello fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this fantastically beautiful king prawn fried rice. Well, some people call it the shrimp fried rice. Whatever you call it, it is lovely and delicious. Well, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe for more videos. So, let's get cooking. So I'm going to begin this recipe by boiling 2 cups of rice, which I'm going to put in the fridge for a minimum of 24 hours. That's one day. I'd normally fluff off the rice just to get rid of any kind of stickiness that they might be. Once that's ready, I will dish the rice into a plastic container and I'll put it straight into the refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours. So I'm going to be using 500 grams of king prawns and about 2.5 handfuls of bean sprouts. These you can pick up from any supermarket at home. Well, once the stir fry is nice and golden, I will add some frozen peas and the last remaining half of the bean sprouts. At this point, I'd like to just stir it for a maximum of about 50 seconds. And guess what? Our fried rice is ready to serve. It is absolutely beautiful. It is delicious. It smells so fresh. And I just can't wait to tuck in and eat this deliciousness. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you've thoroughly enjoyed this tutorial today. If you haven't already, remember to like, share, and please do subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next Friday when I'm back with yet another fantabulous recipe. See you next week. Bye-bye.